Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to prepare for a conference. Instead of just going and hoping to meet some people randomly, you can find attendees on LinkedIn and reach out to them before the event and set up some meetings in advance. And let me show you how it works. So Mm, let me first make a quick intro about the signals, right? So this is built on Trigify and Clay, and Trigify does social listening. So basically, all the signals that we have in Outbound, like the majority of the signals, we are taken from the open sources of information. It's social networks, websites, blogs, and news, and so on, right? And the majority of these signals can be captured from social listening. So basically, Trigify covers social listening on LinkedIn, X, Reddit, like whatever, right? So basically, you can set up a listener with the keywords. This is just one of the option. There's a lot of samples and workflows there, but one of the options is you can set up search with the keywords, and every day you can get the results, and you can parse these results, enrich, and then work with them. So basically, for the example, we will be reaching out to the London Tech Week attendees, so people who are claimed that they're going to London Tech Week. And we are setting up the search here. So the workflow, let me show you how it works. So the good news here is just it looks like quite complex. But if you know what you're doing, you can set this up with the help of Jarvis. Jarvis AI, it's like built conversational AI here in Trigify. So you can literally type or say what you need to do, and it helps you like build all these workflows. So basically, we can capture, we can set up a handler listener here, and it monitors for new content based on search keywords like London Tech Week and stuff like that. So, and it fetches 100 posts every day. I think there's some limits there, so 100 posts. And then the next step, for each post, it classifies with help of AI. So this is like another step. Is like it uses Claude by default, but I think we can set up any model here. And it classifies the post in terms of if this person is attending the event. So if person is attending the event, there is a module that this just like built module where Trigify enrich the person's data. So it gets all the data from person's LinkedIn, and we can send this data to Clay via webhook, and then we can work with this data. I'll show you later. So in Clay, we send all the data like here, right? First name, job title, company name, domain, LinkedIn post URL, post text, stuff like that. So anything, we can build some serious personalization based on that. So this is how it works from Trigify side. So just a second about the Trigify. You see there's a lot of options what you can listen and you can build with Trigify. Post with buying intent and job changes and whatever. It's just a matter of the setup, right? What do you want to monitor? And this is like very powerful if you understand what signals might work for you better. And this is like very important thing to know about your ICP, not only like headcount and country, but also signals. Understand signals. Well, like what would be the signals for you to reach out to them at the very right time. So let's go to Clay. So we send the data. So every day we send data, scored data. So these people that we see in Clay, we understand that all of them are attendees, not just say something about the event. They are mentioned that they are attending, and we see a lot of data here. So in my case, the play is following. So I need to score the companies. So these people are from some companies. And first, I need to score the companies to understand if the company fits my ICP. Then I will score these people by job title. And if there's job title of decision maker, then I will be searching for his or her email and reaching out to them. If this person is not decision maker, I will be searching for decision maker in this company. So this is the idea. Okay, so let's go. So first we need to we need to enrich company domain with company enrich to yeah. So let me show how it looks like. Yeah, so basically we send the company domain and we get a bunch of data in return. And what we need here is basically B2B or B2C and country and employees, and we score them. And then, yeah, like we see like this company fits. Then we score these companies if this company is not a competitor, because we don't want to reach out to competitors. And then if company is okay, we check leadership match. So if the person, if the job title of the person posting is decision maker, like CEO or founder or director, it works for us. We can jump straight to email search. If if this person is not decision maker, we need to find decision makers. So basically, here we check decision makers with the GPT. If job title is decision maker, and if it's true, okay, we will find the email. If it's not, we try to also find the CEO founder as a first step, and try to find CMO marketing lead as a second step. So then we also use company enrichment here, search people. So we can search specific people, specific job titles within domain. This is very useful enrichment. And finally, like we have a leadership name, and then we can find the email. So we found the email, then we verify the email, and then we create opener based on posting. This is just the example, a simple opener. So if a decision maker posting, we're doing something like that. I saw your post about attending London Tech Week. If it's not decision maker posting, we mention the colleague. So your colleagues are MLC post about your team attending London Tech Week. And then with this opener, we add people to the campaign. So basically, it works every day. And so every day new people appears, and automatically they added to the campaign, and this campaign runs and generate replies. So yeah, this is how it works. If you want to help with setting up this for your company or your GTM or your event, feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions, also let me know. Yeah, thank you very much for your time. I think it was useful. 9 minutes. See you. Bye.